Can you hear that? Can you hear the roar of the water? This is what happens in Arizona during monsoon season. Look at this water. We got a very heavy rainfall just now that lasts about an hour. Look at these. Look at these waves. This is ridiculous. Our road is probably ruined. This amount of water coming through here, this is a little trickle compared to that. This is unbelievable. Listen to all that water moving. Look how fast it's going. Unbelievable. It just floors me, the sound of this raging water, the destructive nature of it. Look in the background there, how that water is just swelling up. We got whitecaps. This is ridiculously dangerous. You definitely do not want to be in this water right now. Look at the force of this water, how fast it is moving. This is just one of the worst I've seen in a long, long time. Look at this water. We've already had 2 people die this year trying to cross through when it was this flooded. 2 people, both different times, one in Golden Valley and one in right around the corner from here. Their cars were swept away and they were drowned in this. Now you can imagine why. I don't know how anybody would want to travel through this. Nothing is worth risking your life for this. I am having a seriously hard time just finding a path that is safe to videotape this for you. I'm going to end this video now because it's getting too dangerous for me to try and get through to show you any more of this video. Signing off. God bless.